Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to prep your nails so your nail polish will last longer. My name is Terry. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I do nail videos, so if that interests you, be sure to subscribe to the channel. So once a week I remove my cuticles using a cuticle remover. The one I'm using today is by KB Shimmer, and I'll be sure to list the products I use in the description box. I like this cuticle remover because it is a gel remover and it has this brush, so it makes it really easy to apply it only to my cuticle area. When you're using cuticle removers, this is a very strong base, so you don't want to get it all over your fingers. So that's why I don't like the watery cuticle removers, because those literally get everywhere. Cuticle removers are meant to remove skin. So the cuticles are dead skin, so it's okay to remove those, but it can also eat away at your live skin, which is why I don't want to apply it all over my finger. I'm also using a metal cuticle pusher. Be careful with the metal ones because they can dig into your natural nail if you're not careful. Wooden cuticle pushers and glass cuticle pushers are good as well, especially for beginners. They're more gentle than the metal ones, but the metal ones tend to work a little bit better. So just be careful. You kind of want to hold the pusher parallel and kind of angle it a little bit to just remove the cuticle, which is the clear dead skin that's stuck to the bottom and the sides of the nail. After I'm done pushing back my cuticles, I then immediately go and wash my hands. You have to wash the cuticle remover off your hands because, like I said, it eats live skin and it will cause irritation if you don't do this. So be sure to follow the directions on your cuticle remover. I also go in and remove any hangnails. So I take cuticle nippers and just clip off the hangnails that I have. You don't want to rip these off because you're basically pulling off your skin. And I only use cuticle nippers to clip off hangnails. I don't use them to cut my cuticles or cut my proximal nail fold because I personally don't believe you have to do that. Next, I'm just filing my nails to kind of reinforce this shape. I have like a round shape right now. So I'm just taking my glass nail file. I love glass nail files because they're very gentle and they last forever. I've had this nail file for a couple years and it's still really good. And I just shape my nails. I do file back and forth. I don't notice any peeling when I use this nail file, so I don't file in one direction because I don't see the need to. So I'm just going in and perfecting that round shape. And again, I do all these steps once a week. After that's done, since I used cuticle remover, I want to replace the moisture back into my nails. So before I actually paint my nails, I'm going to kind of do like a nail treatment. And I'm going to apply my favorite cuticle oil, which is Cuticle Butter. And I'm just going to rub that into the cuticle area and all over my nails, the front and the back of my nails. And let this soak. And then I'm going to apply a thick cuticle butter. This is from Red Eyed Lacquer and it smells really good. I'm just going to also apply that to my entire nail and let that sit for a few minutes to add that moisture back into my nails. This is really good for making sure your nails stay moisturized and flexible. When your nails are more flexible, they don't snap easy and break easily. So like I said, I'm going to let this sit for maybe 10 minutes and then I'm going to wash my hands and remove this oil. You can't apply nail polish after applying oil because the polish will not stick to your nails. So when you're ready, be sure to wash your hands, and you can even wipe over your nails some rubbing alcohol to remove the natural oils. It's going to make your nail polish stick better, which makes them last longer. So I'm starting off by applying a base coat. I'm using a Ridge Filling Base Coat by KB Shimmer. And again, I'll list that in the description box. If you have like little indentions in your nail, this is a good base coat. Ridge filling base coat is good to use. You don't want to buff off your ridges. That's really bad for your nails and makes them weak. So I'm applying 1 coat of this. Base coat is really good to help your nail polish stick to your nail as well as protect them from any staining. This nail polish I'm using is only available during the February 2023 polish pickup. So if you want this polish, be sure to get that in February, the first weekend in February. Then it won't be available anymore. So this is like a flaky nail polish. It's a jelly nail polish with flakies in it. So I kind of apply it differently. Flakies and glitters, they kind of stick to the nail and you want to spread them out evenly. So I kind of like use short strokes to spread out the flakies. But I don't start at the very bottom of my nail, and I do this so I don't flood my cuticle area. If you start at the very bottom, you can kind of flood it because there's typically more nail polish on the brush at this point. So I kind of start towards the bottom of my nail, but not at the very end, and work my way down towards the cuticle and then up towards the free edge of my nail, making sure that I get all the sides of the nail as well as cap the free edge of the nail, which is just putting a little bit of polish at the edge of the nail. This helps prevent it from chipping, the nail polish from chipping. I wait about 2 minutes between the first and the second coats of my nail polish so I can make sure the first coat is dry enough and doesn't move when I apply the second coat of the nail polish. And again, I'm just applying short strokes so I can spread out those flakes on the nail. If you get any nail polish in your cuticle, that's okay. I'm going to show you how to remove that later. But I like KB Shimmer's wide brush because it's really easy to apply the nail polish exactly where you want it to go. And again, after I apply the second coat, I'm going to stop here because I think it looks pretty good in 2 coats. And I'm going to let it dry for about 2 minutes before I apply my top coat. You definitely want to apply top coat to your nail polish to make your nails last longer. It also makes the polish really nice and glossy. I like to apply a glossy, shiny top coat. It really brings out the flakes when you do this. And to make your nails last the entire week, I would suggest every couple days to apply a new coat of top coat. This is going to lock your nail polish color in as well as make sure your nails stay shiny. Oh yeah, before I do the top coat, I actually like to clean up my nails. It's just easier to do it before you apply the top coat. So I have a little bit of pure acetone in this dapping dish and then an angled nail polish brush. And I stick the angled brush into the acetone and then tap the excess off on my paper towel to remove extra so it doesn't run everywhere. Then I just go in the corners of my nail to remove any nail polish out of the corner, out of the cuticle area, and off my skin. And this gives it like a really nice professional look. And then once I'm done with that, I'm applying KB Shimmer's glossy top coat. It's there clearly on top. So this is a fast drying top coat, so it dries really quickly. So you don't have to wait all day for your nails to dry. This takes maybe like 15 minutes and your nails are completely dry. Be sure to cap the free edge of the nail again to prevent your nails from chipping at the free edge. And again, this wide brush makes it really easy to cover the nail. So I just float the top coat on top of the polish, and this gives it a nice shine so you can really see those flakies stick out. So after the top coat is dried, the last step would be to apply some more cuticle oil. This is really good to add that moisture back into your nails again. I just forgot to record that step, but be sure you do this. Apply cuticle oil 2 to 3 times a day and your nails will look really nice. So if this video was helpful to you, be sure to hit the like button and I'll see you in the next one. Bye y'all.